Dispatchers at Titan play a critical role in ensuring the security of our clients' property. Our best-in-class approach combines highly trained operators with cutting-edge technology. And it all begins right here in Titan's in-house UL and 5 Diamond certified Security Operations Center. When an alert is triggered, our operators are notified right away and begin responding to the situation. From here, our operators take action based on client-specific instructions, including performing an audio talkdown.
This is Titan Protection. The individual on site in the gray shirt and black pants. Please leave now. The police will be dispatched.
Criminals fear one thing, and that is being caught. That's why our audio intervention is so critical. Operators can immediately radio a patrol officer to respond on site. Now the operator and the officer are working in tandem, responding to whatever unfolds, and we don't stop there. We live in a new era of security, and Titan is leading the way. The operator can dispatch a Titan security drone to respond. Our drones feature enhanced zoom, night vision, spotlight, infrared lights, and thermal cameras, and the ability to deliver a talkdown directly from the onboard speaker.
This is Titan Protection. You are trespassing on private property. Leave now or the police will be dispatched.
All of these responses happen simultaneously in real time, with humans always in the loop. It's a perfect blend of people and technology working together. Once the individual is in custody, dispatch is notified and the cycle begins all over again. Our team does this 24 hours per day, 365 days a year, safeguarding our clients right here in our Security Operations Center. Titan is the future of security, and the future of security is blended with technology. For more information, visit us at tpcsecurity.com.